up this morning, troubles on my mind, bills on the table and I'm running out of time. Then the radio played my favorite song, suddenly the whole world singing along. Neighbor on the corner waving me through, said, don't let the hard days get to you. So I kick back, let the cool breeze blow. Sometimes you just gotta let it all go.
One smile can change your day. One laugh can wash the pain away. No matter how hard it seems, every storm runs out of rain. Every dark night fades again. So dance to the heartbreak, sing through the pain. Every storm runs out of rain.
Hold on tight, better days remain. Sunshine coming back again.
Put your worries on the ocean waves. Every storm runs out of rain.
Beach chair leaning underneath the sky, cold drink sweating while the clouds roll by. Friends all gathered and the vibe feels right. Bonfire burning into the night. Some people worry about everything, but life goes sweeter when you let it swing. Heartbeat moving with the reggae sound. Nothing gonna keep us down.
One love can light the way. Blue skies waiting after gray. That's just how life goes. Every storm runs out of rain. Every dark night fades again. So dance to the heartbreak, sing through the pain. Every storm runs out of rain.
Hold on tight, better days remain. Sunshine coming back again.
Put your worries on the ocean waves. Every storm runs out of rain.
Yo,
Bad times ever gonna last forever.
stand up strong,
We rise together.
rain fall down, but the sun still shine. One good day,
Can change your life. Hands up high, let the good vibes roll.
sweet reggae music healing your soul.
From the rough roads to brighter days, we keep dancing anyway. Every storm runs out of rain. Every dark night fades again. So dance to the heartbreak, sing through the pain. Every storm runs